Hey, barkeep, why do you keep rubbing the cup? It's been clean for 3 hours now.
Because I obviously want to rub it.
Well, I mean, you got other dishes, like this one right here, that are dirty. You could just rub those. I mean, if you don't even want to work, just don't work.
Dude, if you don't shut up, I'm going to kill you. Boom!
Bartender, have you heard any good news?
No good news at all.
Still nothing? Times have been dark, even in Midland's castle town. I can't take it. Ever since Griffith became king, I've lost all hope.
Be quiet, watch your mouth.
Hey, what's up, guys? So the reason why I did this sound design in particular is because I thought the intro to the first episode sounded very thin. Like, there wasn't stuff to make me excited audibly. And that's probably because they had a lot of budget constraints and they needed to get this out, like, as soon as possible. So it kind of makes sense. But I feel like it could have benefited from that little bit of extra polish. So that's why I decided to do this. And the reason why I thought it sounded thin, to give an example, when Guts is walking, it's not shown there, but when he's revealed to have armor on, I feel like he should have more jostle, more heaviness to his step, because he's kind of a more bigger guy wearing actual plate armor. So I feel like having that plate armor rattle. But I digress. I'm probably just going to end the video here. If you want me to do like a bigger audio breakdown, comment down below. And obviously, I could be very wrong about all this. This could sound like shit to you, and if it does, oh well. I guess I'll learn and get better. I think the next one I'll do is probably this full episode, and even with the intro, make my own dialogue, maybe make it a bit more witty or something. I don't know. All right, have a good day, guys.